I hit the door. I reckon if there wasn't people around, there'd be less distraction and more playing.
I think so too.
The monkey's a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But the puppies don't mind it.
They don't.
Like they don't bark and get scared.
I mean, maybe they're able to sense that it's play.
Yeah.
I have never seen a monkey pet a puppy before.
You filming?
Yeah, yeah.
What's happening? Oh.
I mean, it's weird. He keeps trying to do the thing where he, like, grabs them, but the puppies don't seem scared, and he's not growling or baring his teeth or anything.
Yeah.
But he is very fascinated with their bums. Oh, giant longor. Up on the water tank.
Oh, whoa.
Do you realize we have...
What a picture.
We did.
Puppies like...
I know. I wish I had my real camera. Here, do you want to trade positions with me? Oh, man.
How did a little Lucas chase off a creek?
I don't know. That langor is crazy, though. He attacked me like 3 times. Oh, they ran around.